On this example, we're taking the derivative of negative 3x to the negative 1. Negative 3x to the negative 1. I want to use the power rule. And let me just show you again how we would rewrite this. Negative 3 over x to the first. So if the question was just this, y equals negative 3 over x to the first, we could rewrite that as y equals negative 3x to the negative 1. Just developing that level of comfort with being able to go from positive exponents to negative exponents and understanding what that means, going from the denominator to the numerator, what that looks like, and then being able to take the derivative from here. So we're going to use the power rule. I'm going to have negative 1 times negative 3. So negative 1 times negative 3, which is going to make that a positive 3. X, and then subtract 1 from the exponent. So negative 1 minus 1 is going to give us negative 2 there. 1 minus 1, negative 2. Remember, we're always going 1 less on the power there. And then, so this is going to be y prime. Then you want to rewrite it with a positive exponent. So this is x to the negative 2. That has to go down to the denominator. So this is going to be 3 over x squared. 3 over x squared. Make sure you're not bringing along the 3. It's 3x to the negative 2, so only the x has the negative exponent, so only the x should go down. And number 8, I have y equals 1 over x. So this, as I pretty much just told you in the last example, 1 over x is just x to the negative 1. And it's 1 over x, so the coefficient would be 1x to the negative 1. Like we're here, we had negative 3 over x to the first, so it was negative 3x to the negative 1. But since the coefficient is just 1, it'd be 1x to the negative 1. Use the power rule. So negative 1 times 1 is going to be negative 1. X, subtract 1 from the exponent. Negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. So y prime, or I could do dy over dx just to change up the notation a little bit. Negative 1x to the negative 2, and then we want to make sure we're rewriting this with positive exponents. So x to the negative 2 has to become x squared in the denominator. So I'm going to go over here. So we get dy over dx equals negative 1 over x squared. Negative 1 over x squared. See, x has to go down. And there it is.